teacher Mick. Welcome to Mark for Future science lesson. Today we are going to Austria, a place called Pörtschach. I probably pronounced it wrong, but it's celebrating the World Body Art Painting Festival. Okay, what we need is some warm water and some baking soda. We're going to put about 5 spoons of baking soda into the warm water. Okay, and then we are going to stir that. And then we're going to brush this solution onto the picture. Okay, and we'll let that dry. Now we have liquid soap and water and turmeric, and this is going to make the artwork be very bright, vibrant. We'll mix that up. Wow, what a colour. So there's going to be a chemical reaction between the turmeric and the baking soda. This is how we're going to do the body painting. Thank you. Bye-bye.